So here's what's going on. This weekend my car got stolen. Coincidentally, if you see this guy right here and recognize him, please let me know down below. So what am I gonna do? Well, I gotta beef up my security system. It's good internally, but I gotta do something with the external stuff. I already have Blink cameras in my home, around my home. However, the issue with the one that I currently had up is that no internet was getting to it. So nothing was recorded, useless. So I had to beef up my internal network. And I'm using the TP-Link Deco here, the AX1800 with the X25 wireless AP routers. What these routers are mesh routers, so they're going to allow my network to be extended all over my home, about 5,800 square feet, which is more than twice what I need. So there'll be no dead zones. All my cameras and all my network should be improved after I get these installed. So stay tuned if you want to see how to set these up. So here's what comes in the box. You're going to get three of these wireless AP routers that are going to be used to either extend your network or you can set up a whole brand new network. I'm doing it kind of like setting up a whole brand new network, but I renamed it the same as my current network and use the same password, thinking that it would automatically pick up and detect all my items, my network connected items. It did pick up most of them, but some of the things I had to rejoin this new network, even though it had the same name and password. So you'll get the three wireless APs, you'll get three power cables, and you'll get one Ethernet cord, which will be used to connect one of the three routers, one of the three access points to the your main modem. All right, step one, download the Deco Link app. Get registered, verify your email, do the whole thing. It walks you through. It's pretty easy. You shouldn't need it and have any issues there. Next, you're going to choose in the app the AP. The X25 is the one that I'm using. Make sure you have the Deco, the power adapter, the Ethernet cable with you, and then you're going to go to your current modem, power it off, and then power on the Deco, plug it in with the Ethernet cable to the modem, and then power the modem on. And just wait about 2-3 minutes. The app will it'll automatically notice and detect your new wireless AP. So it'll look like this. On the left, that's the old router. It's unplugged. There's the modem plugged into the new wireless access point. So this is going to be your new router if you're choosing to create an entire new network. I think you can also plug it into your existing router and it should work. But afterward, verify on the app that it's picking up your new access point, and then you're going to have to go plug in the other two in areas that are kind of dead zones. Just try to do it in central locations. If you have upstairs, downstairs, do it there. If you have, one near the garage or pantry, near the front door and back door, just put them in strategic locations so that you can get full coverage all around your home. I put mine under my computer desk and one kind of centrally in the middle of our living room. But the range on these should be enough to get you coverage even outside your house. So. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. Let me know if this video was useful. If you have any questions about the setup, let me know. There were a few issues with connecting my Blink cameras right after. With the sync module, I had to, remove one camera, re-added. Most of everything else got picked up. I renamed the network something else and then renamed it to my same network name, and everything usually worked okay. So let me know. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you like this video. Thank you.